velocity. V is equal to ds by dt. Here, V means velocity and d means delta. It means those values are changeable. Let's go to the next one. Acceleration. A means acceleration in this equation. A is equal to dv by dt. The same thing, d or delta means it is changeable or it is changing. V means velocity, t means time. Now, equations of motion. V is equal to v naught plus he. S is equal to s naught plus v naught t plus half at square. V square is equal to v naught square plus 2a into s minus s naught. So from this formula, we can easily see that v is for velocity and a t is here. You will be given the value of v naught or a or something to find the v, or if you want to find something else, for example you need to find the time t, then you will be given the value of other stuff such as v or v naught, etc. So those are very much easy if you can't remember it. Next one, Newton's second law. F is equal to ma. More of a summation f is equal to ma. This is the most common formula used in physics worldwide. You need to remember it. And another one is summation of f is equal to dp by dt. Okay, next one. This one is about weight. W is equal to mg. W is for weight, m is equal to mass, g is for gravity, which has a value of 9.8. Centripetal. AC is equal to v square by r. We all know what is r, what is v square, and what is a by now. AC is equal to minus omega square r. Momentum. P is equal to mv. Okay, that's it for today. Hopefully you will find it useful. And if you do, please like and subscribe for the next video. That would have more formulas and more amazing explanations.